Hi, Vince O'Malley here. Hope you're doing well. Good to have you here. I know you're watching this video today, which tells me you're doing some research into making affiliate marketing videos, but without showing your face. Well, I can tell you you're in the right place. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you ways you can make affiliate marketing videos, but without having to show your face. Now, first of all, this channel is dedicated to people getting started or looking to find success in their affiliate marketing businesses. So if you can click the subscribe button down below, let's grow this channel as big as we can and help as many people as we can. And also, if you're interested, if you click the link in the description directly below the video, you can get access to my 4-day free video training series. And in there's lots of tips and strategies to help you get started on the road to success in affiliate marketing. So let's get into this. We're going to jump into the computer and show you a great way of making videos without showing your face. So making affiliate marketing videos without showing your face. Now, in this day and age, video is the most powerful way of promoting your product, your offer, or your brand. But not everybody wants to show their face on camera. And to be perfectly honest, I can totally understand that. When I got started in affiliate marketing, I wasn't that keen on being on camera, but I managed to push through it. And with practice, it becomes second nature. It's like any new skill. You need to keep doing it to make it work. But if it really isn't for you, if you don't want to be in front of the camera, you don't have to be. There are other ways. One of the ways you can do it and create great videos that convert really well is to make slideshows. Now, if you're a PC user, you can use PowerPoint presentation. If you're a Mac user, then you use Keynote. And you can create some great slideshows with text and images, and these can grab your potential customers' attention just as well as doing a straight piece to camera. So put your slideshow together, and when you're happy with it, when you've checked it for spelling mistakes, etc., and you're happy with it to go, you use a software such as MonoSnap to record your computer screen while doing the voiceover. And MonoSnap is a free software. There are several different brands on the internet, so simply do a Google search and find one that suits you. But for now, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to use MonoSnap. So this is MonoSnap, the software that can record your computer screen. So go onto Google, do a Google search for MonoSnap, MonoSnap.com, and this is their homepage. So you need to download the software onto your computer, and when you've done that, it puts a little sign up. I don't know if you can see that if it's recording that area, but it puts a little flash sign at the top of your computer, and when you click that, obviously I'm not going to click it now because we're recording, that opens a screen which allows you to select full screen or just an area of your screen and to start recording. Start your record, and when you're happy, whatever it is you want to record, in this case we're doing a slideshow on having a video without showing your face. So then you can start your slideshow, editing the front end and the back end so it all looks tidy, and continue with your slideshow, doing the voiceover because it records your voice as well. You can choose to have your face in a little box, but as this video is all about recording video without showing your face, then I've decided not to do that. So when you're finished recording, simply go up to the top of the screen and press the finish recording. You can then upload it to your computer, save it, and then import it with it into your movie editing software before uploading it to YouTube or onto your website. So that's MonoSnap, really useful piece of kit. So there you go, quite simple to use and very effective. But slideshows aren't the only alternative to being in front of the camera. If you've got a budget, if you can prepared to spend a little bit of money, then animation videos are a great way of telling your story. Again, there are several different companies that do this online. One of the most popular is a company called Doodly.com. Now we're going to just have a quick look at one of their demonstration videos to show you the style of video that you can produce in an animation style. So here's an example of an animation video from Doodly. Great thing about these is that there are many options to choose from, and if you don't want to show your face at all, it's just another option using a cartoon style images to tell your story while you do the voiceover. It just helps get your message across in a maybe slightly more entertaining way. But as I said before, this is not a free option. There is a charge for this. You need to do some research on that, doodly.com. But as you can see, the quality is very high. So there is no medium more powerful than video to promote your offer, to generate leads, quality leads into your business. So I hope this video has helped overcome any objections you have to using video in your affiliate marketing business, because it can be a stumbling block. You can be as imaginative, as creative as you want in your videos, but simply tell your story, provide the solution to the problem that your audience is looking for, and remember, always add value. So I hope you've enjoyed today's training, got some value from it. If so, I'd love to hear from you. Leave us some feedback. Just leave a comment in the box below. Would love to hear from you. And also, click the like button. Would really appreciate that. Some thumbs up would be great. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out on any new videos. They're always full of tips and techniques how to get started in affiliate marketing business. So just remember, click the button directly below the video. And also, if you're looking to get some great results in your business, learn step by step how to earn your first dollar online and then grow that business into a six-figure business, click the link in the description directly below this video and get access to my 4-day free video training series full of tips and strategies, how to get started and how to find success in your affiliate marketing business. So remember, just click the link in the description directly below this video. Well, it's been great to talk to you today, to show you this method of making affiliate marketing videos without showing your face. Hope you got some value from it. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for that. Goodbye now.